Da, 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 da.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Welcome to today's video. I know by the time this vlog is going up, this should be like what, the 9th day into the new year, and this would be like me being off YouTube for like 2 weeks or something. Yeah, about 2 weeks or so. Hi guys, hope you guys are doing good. Welcome back to my channel. Happy new year, happy 2022. I know guys, I know. You see here, this break was needed. Like, it was needed. I worked my butt off the entirety of last year. I barely took any rest. I think the only time I had rest last year was 1 week that I was ill, that I forced myself to be off YouTube for that week. That was it. But I was just drained mentally, physically, emotionally, everythingally. I was drained, and I knew that I needed to rest a bit so I can come back this year with a bang, okay? I've been receiving so many DMs from you guys asking me, Alma, when are you gonna come back to YouTube? We miss you on YouTube. And I've just been laughing because, guys, the ginger to even come back, it was difficult. Like, I was looking for the ginger and you don't see the ginger. But thank God for some of you guys that DM'd me, reached out to me, asked when I was going to be back on the channel and all of that. Anyways, I am back, guys. I am back, okay? I picked up my vlogging camera for the first time in how many weeks? Just 2 days ago, and it felt so strange. Okay, something that you're so used to doing every single day of your life. It felt so strange picking up a vlogging camera and saying, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It was super strange, but I have had a good time off. I rested a lot, but at the same time I was doing more of my wifely and motherly duties because, as you guys know, I didn't have a nanny for like literally 2 weeks. Okay, Eliza left on the 23rd and my new nanny only resumed a few days ago. So throughout this break from YouTube, social media break, Kini, I've had to do more work at home. Okay, so I was too busy, you know, doing all of my motherly duties to Mia Rose, my wifely duties to Jessie, and just spending more time with my family without having to be under pressure, thinking about when my next video will go up, my next upload, my next this, my next that. It felt so good just knowing I can wake up in the morning and just do chores and chill. It felt good not being under pressure. Okay, so yes, I did rest in that regard. With regards to like YouTube and, you know, being an influencer and all of that, I did rest a bit. However, I did put up 1 or 2 ad videos on Instagram. Those were like ads that were pending, that had to go up before the year ended, and, you know, first week of this January. So I knew that I had to do those, but compared to what I do on a daily basis, normally it was a far cry. Okay, so how are you guys doing? What have you guys been up to in the last 2 weeks plus? Okay, what have you guys been up to? I actually do remember saying I was going to vlog on Christmas Day and put out a vlog before the year ran out. See, that did not happen. I didn't even pick up my vlogging camera on Christmas Day. It was basically just a very chill day. We went to church, came back, cooked with my mom because my mom's helped to also, you know, went home for Christmas, so I needed to be there to help her out. So we just did Christmas cooking and just spent time as a family. There was nothing major that happened. Okay, so there was really nothing to vlog about, and besides that, I had tuned off, like, my brain had tuned off recording anything and doing YouTube and all of that, you know. So, but yeah, we had a very chill Christmas. We had a very chill New Year as well. We just crossed over into the new year, you know, doing our regular family prayers that we do every 31st of December at, you know, like 11:30 p.m. we start praying into the new year. So Mia and I were there. Jessie even joined us, you know. So it was just a very chill family, you know, bonding kind of festive season for us. And I cannot lie that it actually felt really good to just, you know, have time with family without, you know, bringing out your camera and recording every single moment. That really felt good. And yeah, in general, not being under pressure felt really good. Okay, but I'm back to being under pressure. Okay, I'm back to my 3 times a week uploads and, you know, being an influencer, Instagram, YouTube and all of that. I'm back to work. Okay, that leave I took, I needed it. Somebody DM'd me on Instagram and was saying, Alma, we did not approve this leave that you are on. No. We, your subscribers, did not approve this leave. We need you back on your channel. But anyways, I'm back, guys. And I hope you guys have been doing amazingly well. It is a new year and I cannot wait for everything that this year has to bring, okay? I shared with you guys my goals for the new year. For my channel, for my Instagram, for my career as a whole. I already shared that, you know, in during Vlogmas. And yeah, here is hoping that we meet and we crush all those goals, okay? I also have personal goals that I want to also, you know, achieve this year, very personal goals. So here is hoping and praying that I achieve those as well. And for you guys, I hope that this year is everything you hope it would be. I hope it brings you, you know, amazing things. I hope it's a new chapter in your life. I hope that you just keep growing from glory to glory, from strength to strength, okay? I hope this year is amazing for you and your family. And above all, I pray for God's protection upon each and every one of us this new year. As we have all seen the beginning of this new year, we shall all see the end of the year as well, in Jesus' mighty name, okay? Yeah, so a little life update. You guys know that Eliza left last year, 23rd of December. I have a new nanny that resumed about 2 days ago, right? And yeah, you know, I shared my fears about, you know, finding somebody that was just like Eliza, so, you know, just get the stress off me, the stress of chores off me, so I can focus on just Mia Rose and, you know, just my career and all of that. And yeah, I do have a new nanny, a new help now, and it's only been 3 days, but let me tell you guys something. She's amazing. She's amazing. I can't even lie. Like, I only took her through how I love my things being done. I only took her through that one morning, like the first morning that she was here, and it's a third day and she's such a fast learner. I'm so glad I don't have to repeat things to you over and over and over again. She just gets it. So when I tell her I like this being done like this, I like that being done like that, she gets it, and she's been doing it concurrently, like over and over again. She cleans amazing. See guys, I love my space speak and span. I've said this so many times on this channel, anywhere I can say it. I love my space very speak and span, and it gives me joy. In the last 3 days, I've woken up and my whole entire house is speak and span before 8 a.m. I love that. So she's attentive, and might I also add that Mia has taken a very, very good liking to her in such a short time. My husband said that it just means that she has a very good spirit, because children are drawn to people that have good spirits, people that they just meet for the first time. Mia is very selective when it comes to, you know, meeting people for the first time and getting to bond with them and all of that. But with her, Mia has bonded with her really quickly. Like 2 days ago, Mia did not even let me give her her bath. She said she wanted Esther to give her bath, and I'm just like, okay. And I stood there and I supervised, but she did an awesome job. And yeah, like I said, she's really, really clean. You know, her personal hygiene is amazing, it's great, which is really, really key. If you are in the business of having nannies or helps, house helps and all of that, you know that many of them, their personal hygiene is a bit not there. You always have to like help them, you know, to achieve, you know, good personal hygiene. But she came in with already a good personal hygiene. All I've had to do is just to up it a little bit. And yeah, I'm just glad, I'm so happy that, you know, I am not feeling Eliza's departure as much as I thought I was going to with a new person. I'm really, really happy about that. The last couple of weeks have not been easy, doing everything, cleaning. Like, my fingers are looking extremely horrible at this point. I'm so due for a manicure, but I couldn't get a manicure until I was sure that I have somebody that will be doing the chores aside me. So now I can go and do my manicure in peace. So yeah, I'm really happy about that. I was really scared about changing hands and all of that, but in the last couple of days it has been going really smoothly, and I'm really, really thankful for that, and I pray that it remains like that. Okay, always good to question the people that come into your house or what their plans are, because they have a life and they have plans for their lives. You don't expect that somebody comes into your house and stays till whenever. So the very first thing we ask is that, how long are you hoping to stay here and work with us and everything? As she said, 1 year, which I mean is okay. Many nannies that, you know, are leaving helps usually stay a year or two, but she has said she wants to stay a year and go back to school. I think she wants to go to university. So yeah, that's okay by us. It just means that now that we know ahead of time, we know that as the year is running out, we are finding somebody else to replace her. Do you understand? So that's also great. So far so good, guys. So far so good. So just a little bit of a life update there. Okay, Mia is doing great. Mia is doing amazingly well. I have been doting on her this entire 2 weeks plus that I have not been able to do YouTube and all of that. So I have been at her beck and call, okay, and she has enjoyed me well. She's doing awesome. She's doing amazing. She'll be resuming school this coming Monday, and I feel like she really wants to resume school. Like, she has been on my neck this entire festive season, wanting to go back to school and all of that. So I'm happy that she's going to be resuming school on Monday so that she can also get back into a routine. And yeah, Jessie is also doing well. You guys would have seen me and Jessie on my stories a lot. When I wasn't posting here on YouTube and much on Instagram, I was posting on my Instagram stories every now and again. So if you've been following me on Instagram, you've been seeing Jessie, you've been seeing Mia every now and again. We've just had more family bonding time and everything. And yeah, I think even last week I did have like a mini staycation. I didn't vlog it because, again, I just wanted to just enjoy, being away from YouTube and doing anything YouTube. I did have a staycation. It was a sponsored staycation. They did pay for like an Instagram post. Maybe by the time this video is going up, it should already be up on my Instagram, like a reel or something. So yeah, I did have a mini staycation, a one-night staycation without husband, without baby, just me, and it was great. So yeah, I feel more rejuvenated. I feel refreshed. I feel ready to take on this brand new year. Literally ready to begin working again this year. So if you're a brand watching, email your girl. We need to get to work. We need to start making this money this year. Sharp, fast, okay? And also, I have like a bit of an announcement, not fully completed yet, but let me just say it here now so you guys can have an idea. So for all of you who have been wanting to meet me in Abuja, many people in Abuja, all my subscribers have been saying, Alma, please do a meet and greet, please do it this, please do it that. I have finally heard you, okay? I have heard you loud and clear, and I am working on, organizing a meet and greet. I don't want to call it a meet and greet. I want to call it like a hangout with me, okay? Like a day with Alma. So I am planning that for the first quarter of this year. I wanted to have it initially in January, but January is already entering inside January, and I don't have anything on ground yet. So I'm hoping maybe by February or March, we shall have a day with Alma. So if you're in Abuja, get ready for this. I also initially did not want to attach a fee to it, but I know I cannot plan this all on my own, so there will be like a fee attached to it, but it's not going to be something plenty money. And I'm putting this fee in place not because we can't have a meet and greet without anybody paying anything to attend, but because I don't want it to be like just a hangout. Okay, we just meet in some park and then we all just greet and hug and gist and that's it. No, I want it to be something really nice. If you guys know me, I love doing things well. I pay attention to details so well. So if I'm gonna have like my first meet and greet, my first hangout with my followers / subscribers, it has to go on well, okay? So I'm hoping to have a very nice ambience. There'll be chops, there'll be drinks, there'll be goodie bags, that kind of thing. I want you guys to even like win prizes, I want something beautiful and something interesting that you would not regret attending. And for me to achieve doing that, definitely I have to attach a little bit of a fee just to cover your food, your drinks, the ambience, your goodie bags, and all of that, just something small. So as time is going on, I will be updating you guys on it. Right now I am hunting for like a nice cute space that we can use for this hangout day with Alma. A nice cute space that has nice food, nice drinks, a nice ambience. And I'm also on the hunt for goodie bag sponsors. So if you're watching this and you have a small brand and you want to sponsor this hangout day with Alma, please shoot me an email. I'll leave it on the screen. Send me an email. Let's talk. I don't intend to host more than 30 people, okay? I don't want a come one come all kind of thing. I just want something small and intimate and cute, okay, so that I can meet everybody personally, one by one, get to talk to you, answer questions. We'll just have a very, very nice time. Like, I'm looking forward to it so much now, talking about it, but we're gonna have a very, very nice time. So if you're a brand and you want to sponsor this hangout day with me, maybe goodie bag sponsorship, please send me an email and I will be looking forward to hearing from you. Oh, one more thing before I leave. Thank you guys so much for sticking with me in the year 2021. That has been like my best year yet, okay? And I couldn't have been able to say that if not for you guys here on YouTube and my followers on Instagram and all of that. So thank you guys so much for sticking with me, for watching my content last year, and for making my year amazing. Thank you so much, and I hope that you stick with me this year and we continue to grow and grow and grow and grow even more this year. I am definitely looking forward to that. So yeah, that is it, guys. That is everything I have for you guys in this video. This video is just to notify you that I'm back in business, I'm back to work, I'm back on YouTube, and I can't wait to meet about 30 of you, okay, here in Abuja very soon. And yeah, guys, that's all I have for you in this video. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you enjoyed watching, let me know in the comments section down below. Subscribe, thumbs up, share. I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye.